How to create a dashboard in Retool. So first of all, go into your preferred browser and just search for Retool and log into your account. If you don't have one, just go ahead and sign up. Of course, it's pretty quick. And then once you're logged into your account, go ahead to your dashboard or your project, and you should be able to make your own let's say dashboard in your page. So you can go ahead and use the components over here. You can add UI pretty much depending on your own design, but let's say you want to do this as quick as possible. Now if you have mastered the Retool itself, of course, then it is possible you would be able to do this pretty quickly using the tools Retool gives you. But if you're having a hard time, you can always go ahead and choose the assist over here. So go ahead to assist, and you can go ahead and make your dashboard here. So you're gonna put in a prompt that could create a dashboard depending on your preferences. But let's say you just want the easiest way, which is this. There is a sales dashboard. You can go ahead and try present that, and it will automatically put in a prompt for you. So create a sales analytics dashboard, so with KPI cards for total revenue and those kinds of stuff. But depending on what you want on your dashboard, you can edit the prompt into whatever you like. So it's just going to go ahead and take its time with the response, and it's going to build it itself. So right there, it's going to create a layout for you with steps as well, which means you are able to edit each and every single part of the dashboard. So edit it to however you want. You can choose whichever layout you want, but it's that simple. Just go ahead and ask the AI over here to make a dashboard for you, and at that point you can just change it to however you please. But that is technically one way you can create a dashboard in your Retool. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.